Today I am down $3,500 on the day. As you can see on the screen, I took 3 trades, 1 win, 2 losses. Not too happy about today. I definitely did not play today well. Was on the wrong side of SPY, but we'll get into that. The first play I took was SPY calls at 10:05, which is right here when it broke high a day. I took the 6,400 calls at 7:20. As soon as I took the calls, it popped a little bit. I didn't take it. I kind of regret that, and it pulled back. So right now it was looking like it was going to range. It was going to stick in this dollar range because before FOMC, we usually range. We don't usually do too much. So I decided to add right here at 450, make my new average 585. And then right after I added, 10 minutes later, it just dropped. So I ended up stopping out. So I wasn't too happy about that. Just SPY did not want to move today. And when it did, it was the violent drops. So it was, we've been V-rallying out of all these drops, and we just haven't been today. So I was already had the wrong mentality already. I was thinking that we were gonna V-rally when we came down to the bottom of the range. We didn't. We dropped more, so I ended up taking my first loss right there. Then I ended up taking calls again at 128, which is right here. We flushed too low a day, and I bought calls right here. Bought the 53.85 calls at 5:30. We popped a little bit. I ended up selling a good majority of my shares on this pop, but I held a couple just in case we V-rallied back up. We didn't book low a day again. I ended up dumping the rest of those. I only had a couple of that, so a tiny loss on that. And then I ended up taking Tesla puts. Let's see. I took Tesla 325 puts right. What time did I take it? 157. Right here, right when it broke below the 327 area, I grabbed a 325 puts at $6, and it didn't really do too much. It dropped a little here, went back up, and just started flirting this 327 area. And after the way I've been playing SPY, I was getting a little frustrated with the market not really going anywhere, not doing anything, me being on the wrong side of things. So I ended up cutting it pretty early. They only went to like 650. I ended up cutting it and just getting out of the trade, getting out of the day. I couldn't take any more. It was just not my day. So luckily I'm not down more than what I am. So it is what it is. So if you want to know more about my plays and what I'm doing, you can find my link in my bio, or you can just go to optionslotos.com and it will take